Okay, let's bang these out. They're pretty easy. Find the value of k. Well, we have a theorem called the triangle angle sum theorem that says that all three angles will add up to 180 degrees in a triangle always. Okay, so what we can do is we can just say 180 degrees minus the sum of the other two, 58 plus 21, or 180 degrees minus 79, and we get then an answer of 101 degrees. K equals 101 degrees, because that's what is required for them to sum to 180. Okay, so excuse me just a second. 28 then says find the value of x, y, and z. Well, we're going to do the same thing for x. Okay, we're going to say for x, we're going to say 180. Take away the sum of the other two angles that are already there, 35 plus 61. And what do we get? We get 180 degrees minus 96. And that equals 84 degrees. So x equals 84 degrees. So write that in there. Z, interestingly, there's this thing called the triangle exterior angle theorem, which says that this angle right here, Z, is going to be equal to the sum of these two. And we already did that. The sum of those two is 96. So Z, because that's got to combine with X to be a linear pair, we know then that Z is 96 degrees as well as the sum of the other two remote interior angles here and here. Okay, and now to find y, we're going to do this same thing one more time. We're going to say 180 degrees minus, we know what this one is now, it's 96, and we know what this one is, it's 12. So we're going to say minus the sum of 96 and 12, and we get 180 minus 108. And that leaves 72 degrees, and so that's going to be what y is equal to, 72 degrees. Okay, so if I wanted to write it at the bottom, I would say, or right here, let's say x equals 84 degrees, y equals 72 degrees, and z equals 96 degrees. Okay, and one more, we've got the find the value of x. Well, we know the rule. It is the triangle exterior angle theorem that states that this angle plus this angle, the two remote interior angles, need to sum to equal this. So what's the math problem that we can write? We can say 106 is equal to, actually do a better job on that, 6 equals 61 plus x. And then of course if we subtract 61 from both sides, we get x is equal to 45 degrees. Yep. And I'll box that, and we're done with these problems.